Hey, welcome to Wholesome Animals. He was feeling a little adventurous and ended up getting in trouble. The weather was not the best, so this Sheepadoodle decided to bring his pool inside.
What the hell are you doing?
Here's how turtles get an X-ray. This is a red panda. They're native to eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. This pug was feeling a little bit itchy. This cat knows how to sit like a true gentleman. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Bye!